Home values are going up. Home values are going down. Home values are going sideways. Home values are going to rise. What headline do you believe? Well, this is Mike Zahn with eXp Realty, and I'm here to give you direct from the Phoenix MLS the actual facts of what's going on in the real estate market and what's likely to happen. So stay tuned. If you like this video, drop a comment for us below or book a call with me on my Calendly link down in the description, and I'll be happy to answer how it applies to your situation. But for now, let's get started. Let's look at the facts. And here's where we're at. In December, or the active number of homes on the MLS for sale is just under 19,000. That represents an 8.1% drop in where the values were from the previous month in November. So that's the second month, notably, that the number of active listings have gone down. We'll talk more about that in a minute. The second thing is median price. Median price this month went down. Now, last month we talked about how it had stabilized. We were hoping that was going to stay the case, but not so much. Home values are down 2.1% from 475,000 to 465,000. As far as the days on market, that's also rising. It's gone from 56 days last month to 60 days this month. What's interesting is that the average number of days on market of active listings, those that haven't sold yet, is up to almost 80 days. What does that tell us? Stay tuned. And last, pending home sales are going down. So they're down about 4.5% to 6,362. That's in concert with the fact that the inventory is going up, also going down. And so you've got active inventory going down, you've got the number of sales going down, you've got a market that's slowing down. Okay, so what does that mean to you? As a buyer, it means that, you know what? Not a bad time to buy because the home values are down and prices are down, and that's something you want as a buyer. You know, the old buy low, sell high, right? Okay, so that's what we want to do here. Will home values go lower? Right now, most experts are saying probably not much. If they do, 0 to 5% next year. That's gone down that much or more this year already. We have a situation where we don't have a lot of foreclosures. We have a situation where we don't have a lot of people that are underwater, where they owe more on their home than it's worth. So we're not looking at a situation where we're likely to have a bunch of people bailing on their homes and dumping it. If they run into financial trouble, they lose their job or whatever, what they're more likely to do is put their home on the market and sell it and cash out on that equity, right? So we're probably not going to see a huge drop in value. Real estate is the safest investment in the United States as far as purchased assets. You think about what your parents' home sold for, what they bought it for. What's it worth today? In between, it's gone up and down. But from there to now, when they bought it to what it's worth now, it's gone up. And the same thing's going to happen to your home. So unless you're going to sell in a year or two, it's probably safe to buy right now. And if it goes down a little bit more, so be it, it'll go back up. As for sellers, what does that mean? What does this information mean to you? It means that you're going into an area with declining inventory, which is a good thing for sellers. It means less competition. We have fewer homes than we normally have on the market. Normally we have 23,000. Right now we're just under 19,000. As far as selling it now versus selling it later, but what we do know is that home prices are still up 12% from 1 year ago today. What that means, if you sell your home now, you're going to have 12% more equity in your pocket after you sell it than you would have a year ago. You're going to have more money for a down payment. You're going to have more money for your rainy day fund to tuck away into the bank, and you're going to be better off than if you wait 6 months. It's a good time to be selling right now. Cash in the equity that you have while that equity is up, and it's a sure thing. The old saying, a bird in the hand is worth two in the bush, right? So that's where we're at today. Not a bad time to buy, not a bad time to sell. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have any questions about your specific situation, again, book a call with us in my Calendly link below. If you want to find out what homes are selling for right now, go to my website, Metro Phoenix Living, right here. It's the #1 search site in the Valley, updated every 5 minutes, so it's as current as can be. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in my next video.